Hi, my name's Rick and we're with the Jefferson Elementary Car Show. This is our 13th year and 100% of our profits goes directly back to the students here. We would love to thank BMW Fresno for always supporting this show, which makes it a great success. We have about 300 cars and over 1,000 spectators. Every year we raise approximately $10,000. So for the 13 years that we've been doing this, you can do the math, about $130,000 that has gone directly back to the kids. Jefferson Elementary would love to thank BMW Fresno for their continued support to make this show a success.